everyone, this is Prathamesh. Welcome to Digital Advice Hub, and in this video we're going to talk about Facebook's default location targeting, how it is wrong and what we need to do to get a good results. So before starting the video, I just want to request you all that if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. I always uploading a new videos and new update related to the Facebook, so that you will get notified for this, right? And now I'll just quickly go into the Ads Manager account. This is my example account, as you know, and I'm just quickly going to create a campaign by clicking on the green button, and I'm choosing the same conversion objective that we are actually choosing at most time, right? So let's go ahead, and I'm actually going into the ad set level. I'm not going to create a full campaign, I'm just going to the ad set level, and here when I scroll down I find the location target, right? Here we are setting up the locations, right? So what we are exactly doing, we are just editing this part, and normally Facebook has given you a default setting, default country that you are being from, or default area where you already did advertisements, right? So these are the things. If I'm in India, so it's showing me in India. If you are in the United States, then it will be United States, or if you are advertising to particular area like New York or San Francisco, then that will be the default option for you, right? Let's say I just wanted to advertise me on the Mumbai. So what I'll do is, only in Mumbai if I want to advertising, I'll choose, go ahead, type here Mumbai, and I'll just choose Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and this is the area where I can choose the kilometers, like how much kilometers actually I want to show my advertisements, or I want to show the advertisement to the whole city, right? So these are the things that we need to manage, but I'm not talking about these things right now. This you can manage, this you can target according to your area, according to your services, according to your business. If you are a restaurant and need only 10 kilometers of people, if you are a beauty salon and you need only 5 kilometers of people, if you are a retail store, if you need only 5 kilometers of people surrounding to your particular shop or your particular business, then you can go ahead and choose that. But I'm talking about in this video about this, right? If you click on this, there are 4 options here, right? Like people living in this location or recently in this location. Then there are another 3 options, like people living in this location, people recently in this location, and all, right? So by default, Facebook has chosen people living in this location and recently visited in this location, right? So what happens? Whenever you are selecting an area or a country, Facebook is going to show an advertisement to all of those people who are actually visiting in that country or visiting in that city. Let's say I'm in Mumbai, right? There are tens of millions of people who are actually visiting to Mumbai in a year. If you are in a city like London, if you are a city like Miami, or if you are in a city like New York, and in that particular cities you are advertising, so many people, the millions of people are actually visiting that particular area, right? So if you are showing an advertisement with this default setting of Facebook, then you might be end up with the customers or the leads that are actually not your customer, that are just visited to that location, right? Let's say you are a business and you are selling the services. That services should be only and only in that particular area. Let's say in Mumbai, let's say in Delhi, or let's say in New York. Then you need to show an advertisement to those people who are actually in that area, because that are your actual customers, right? If you are showing an advertisement to the people those people who are actually visiting or recently in that area, they might be fill your form, or they might be convert from your advertisement, but they are not gonna be your customer, because they will go back to their countries, right? There are so many visitors. Yeah, but the thing is, if you are a restaurant owner, if you are a business, if you are in a business that is a travel business and you are happy with these particular people that actually are travelers or actually visitors, then it's okay that you can bring it to the default one. But normally, when as an agency or as we are working for our client, we always prefer to choose the second option, which is people living in this location, because generally we need that customer base, right? We are not we don't want to waste that much money or that much budget to those people who will actually not gonna be our customer in future, right? If we are choosing the number one option, which is a default option, you might get the audience size which is very huge, right? And you start advertising to them. But when you start advertising to them and you end up with the customers who are actually travelers, who are actually visitors, then you are losing your money, you are losing your budget that you are spending on the advertisements, right? So I always prefer to the marketers, go to the location settings and check that the settings of the location, the default setting of the location should be changed to the second option, which is people living in that particular area. Whether it is Mumbai, New York, or a country like India, UK, US, or whatever region that you are actually going to advertise for, or you are serving that area, you are doing the sales in that particular area, or you are providing a product that can be purchased in this particular location, right? Yeah, but if you are a restaurant owner and you are in a traveling business and you are okay with the travelers, then of course you go ahead and you can choose the same default option, right? So it is depend upon the business and business to business, but approx 80% of business, as per my knowledge, should have this location setting, that is people living in this location, right? So for this particular video, that's it. And again, I just want to request you that please subscribe to the channel, because I saw that 1/3 of the people are actually subscribing to the channel and others are not. And because of that, you're not getting the exact notification whenever I'm putting in video, right? Also go and comment below that whatever questions you have related to the Facebook advertisements and the Instagram advertisement, so that I can address that comments and I can reply you related to that questions, right? We are a digital marketing agency and we are serving the business owners and entrepreneurs who are actually willing to take their marketing to the next level. Then you can contact to us, right? If you are one of those, you can contact us. I am giving the link in the description below. You can go over there, that will take you to the website. You can book a free consultation call with me or my team member. We can discuss about your business and you can see that how we can do or how we can serve you better, right? And also do remember that we consider the businesses that have at least 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees of budget of month. If you are not meeting that criteria, so please don't bother to click on the link and book consultation call. Instead, just comment below whatever questions that you have. I'll just help you out over there. Okay? So thank you so much. This is Prathamesh signing out. Bye-bye.